International Women's Day, IWD, celebrated annually on March 8, is a global event recognizing the achievements, struggles, and rights of women throughout history. It began in the early 20th century as part of the labor and suffrage movements, with the first official observance in 1911. Today, it is a day to promote gender equality, women's empowerment, and social progress. Many countries mark the occasion with marches, discussions, and initiatives supporting women's rights, while businesses and organizations highlight the importance of diversity and inclusion. The day also serves as a reminder of the ongoing fight for equal opportunities, fair wages, and an end to discrimination and violence against women. With a new theme each year, International Women's Day continues to inspire change and celebrate the vital contributions of women worldwide.